All girls. Let's see if they're out. Come on, Sam.
Is that the baby chickens?
Yeah, the baby chickens. They're so pretty. Look.
Is the
Dad,
baby chickens and the
your dad
birdies?
can't tell you no, so I'm telling him that you want baby chickens.
It's the baby chickens and the birdies.
Yeah. Tell Daddy you want some, okay?
Okay.
Come on, let's see if they're out of the washroom.
It's like it, Anna. There's the baby chickens and the birdies.
Come on, Sam. Sam, I'm right here, honey.
Okay.